Unprecedented bonobo violence. Females inflict extreme injuries on male. A recent attack within a wild bonobo community in the Democratic Republic of Congo has revealed a level of brutality previously unseen in this species, challenging the long-held notion of bonobos as the peaceful hippies of the primate world. Researchers documented 5 female bonobos systematically and severely injuring a male, leaving him disfigured, missing an ear, and with bitten testicles. The attack lasted roughly 30 minutes and left the victim, a 19-year-old male named Hugo, with horrific injuries and presumed dead. The incident and its severity. The assault occurred on February 18th within the Louis-Cotel bonobo community in Salonga National Park. Researchers arrived shortly after the attack began, finding the male lying on the ground while the females continued to stomp, beat, and bite him. The scene was eerily silent, with the entire community present but no intervention attempts. The level of violence is unprecedented. Hugo lost multiple toes, a portion of his ear, and flesh from his knuckles. The attacking females even licked his blood off their fingers. This is only the second documented case of extreme violence in bonobos, with the previous instance also appearing to be linked to infanticide. Why this matters: bonobos, along with chimpanzees, are our closest living relatives. Chimpanzees are known for aggression and lethal conflict, but bonobos have historically been viewed differently, resolving tensions through frequent sexual interactions. This attack dismantles that simplistic view. Female coalitionary behavior is a key factor. Bonobo females form alliances to dominate males who pose threats to themselves or their offspring. This dominance dynamic may explain why lethal aggression is rare in bonobo societies, but it does not exclude extreme violence when perceived threats arise. What triggered the attack? Researchers suspect the male attempted to harm an infant 2 days before the attack, sparking the brutal retaliation. While this remains speculative, it suggests a clear motive: protection of young. The incident highlights that even in a species famed for its peaceful tendencies, extreme aggression can occur, driven by perceived threats to reproductive success. The lack of intervention from other group members is also notable, implying a degree of acceptance or even support for the violence. The victim's fate, Hugo, has not been seen since the attack, leading researchers to believe he died from his injuries. His disappearance raises questions about the long-term consequences of such severe violence on bonobo social dynamics. While some experts caution that Hugo might still be alive, given Bonobo's Fission Fusion Society, the extent of his injuries makes survival unlikely. This attack forces a reevaluation of bonobo behavior, demonstrating that even in a species celebrated for its peaceful nature, violence can erupt with shocking brutality.